What's cracking, everybody? Welcome to a new video. Today we're reviewing Allove hair, and I don't want to say too much because clearly I already looked the part. It clearly did. Some things have slacked and I'm not about to. Okay. Thank you. I'm about to go bike riding, so just sit back, relax, enjoy the stats, and somebody save me a baby father. Yeah, this is. I just came from my P.O. box to pick up the hair and stuff like that. This was my P.O. box. Let me just put some glasses on. If I told you once, I told you twice. QB, throw the booty. My best friend got me these. Y'all know that. And I'm riding them till the wheels fall off and then some, okay? We about to get it right together. So this just don't mind how I'm looking before we get to cooking. I wanted to acknowledge that this bag, like instead of using, normally hair companies send me hair through a box or whatever, they sent me the hair in this kind of bag, like this cloth bag that you would like get from Urban Outfitters. Sue me, but this is how I store all my wigs in Urban Outfitters bag. I'm very happy for this kind of change. I just wanted to let y'all know to the company and to the people that this is a move in the right direction. Absolutely. Got the little, zip open, keep it cute, keep it on mute. I think this was 24 inches, like a loose body wave hair I got. Wig caps. Shorty smiling still. She must have not went through COVID. I want a cute little hairpin. And it's pink like my nails, so we're right on schedule. I don't know how life happens like this, so it's clearly begun to do some type of pink look. Yes, we're doing a pink look today. That may mean some eyeshadow. Who knows? But this is not gonna be a makeup video, but I like the tightness of the curl. Okay, she look like, yep, get me body. I think I'm gonna try to do another one of those straight out the pack kind of videos and see if I can kind of hold on to this curl but do like a push up to the side, like not Jessica Rabbit per se, but that kind of like pin up kind of look. Let me see if I could do it. If not, see you in the next video. I'll make something else work. You feel me? Baby hairs is kind of pre-plucked for me already. You see they're long already. Just gotta cut those down. You deserve to see it, okay? I know there's countless unboxing videos, but I'm not about to not do one. All right, let me put this on my head real quick to see what it's giving. I have a small head, so cap size be meaning something to me. Let's get it cracking. Mildly overplucked it, but it's okay. I could freak that with some baby hairs, and if anything, when it gets pulled back, it could, whatever. I think I'm gonna maybe keep it middle part. It's very pretty. Like, I know it's a uniform pattern, but I'm really into the I didn't have to do it kind of curl. So I got the ears down. My neighbors is outside playing baseball in the street. Before you ask, yes, they're white. Some of my foundation in here. Okay, it's down, it's ear to ear. I haven't done anything to the hair yet, but this is, I think it's called Loose Deep Wave from Allove Hair. And I was going to do some more to it, but it's looking pretty fantastic. I overplucked it a little bit, but it's still looking fantastic. If you were on my live, you see me take this hair down. I haven't done anything to this hair, and I'm so like impressed by it. Like a 13x4 lace, I'm reading it up there, so don't judge me. 13x4 lace front wig, 24 inches, loose deep wave. Loose deep wave is about to be my new jam, cause she's light. It's 150 density, they said. 180 is a little bit fuller, but honestly, I'm not mad at this at all. Please get into it and not my back rolls. I just want to remind everyone, no layers have been put in this hair, no nothing. Or like, you've seen everything I've done with this hair. Like, I don't know what to do. I even put on eye makeup because I was feeling the hair so much. I was, however, going to do like a couple of curls, but I really don't want to touch it. I think if anything, I'm gonna just brush it out. But let me try to take a couple pics before I do so. This is Allove Hair, super worth it. Like, I was on live and everybody was sweating the hair already. Like, oh, what's that? What's this? Who's that? And it's just me, a different me. Again, I didn't even have to OD pluck it the way I did, but I went in because I wanted to practice. So forgive me. Like, the curls is looking like I did them. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the material. When did I start unpacking this hair? Like 4 o'clock. And normally, you know, hair is gonna fall. It's hot. It's New York humidity. Like these curls could have been dropped. It fell down a little bit, but they're still together and they're just longer. It makes my 24 inches a little bit more visible now. And who's gonna say no to that? Not me, no. Sir, no ma'am, not me. I think one of the best things about this, the fact that the 150 density is still full, but still light. In this summertime, it's very like pick up and go. You know, throw it up if you need to. Don't tempt me with a good time, but half up, half down now, y'all. Because it's 150, when you do, if you choose to put it up, it's not gonna be mad bulky on the sides. You can still finesse it how you need to, you know. And now that I'm on my 10,000th look of being, you know, I like a hair. I know a hair slapping when I can't stop moving. Can't stop, won't stop. Let's brush her out. Where my brush at? I'm scared, I don't want to. These feel like the third day curls. You know, like when you tighten your curls and then you brush them out like the second or third day. Oh. I want to talk in peace.
Talk.
I don't want to talk with you here.
Son, it's gonna be on live on YouTube.
It's not everyone else. It's you. We can't take you.
Saying nothing to you.
I don't care.
I was just on my phone.
Exactly. I don't like it.
Yo, do what you doing.
No.
What are you about to film?
Intro.
Do it.
No.
I want to see.
See? No, that's why I'm not doing it. Okay, so this is the final look. I really had fun making this video because I look dumb good. And anytime I look dumb good, I know I had a good time. So thank you so much for watching. Definitely snag this hair while you can, because with my own money, I would buy this. Deadass? this is it right here. I'm really happy, very fulfilled. There's nothing wrong with what's going on over here in these towns and these streets. So thank you all up here. See y'all with the next video. I don't know. Leave a comment below if you think I should go orange or leave the hair as is. I haven't had a good, like, fit good, curl good, texture good, no shed good hair in a minute. And it's not even jet black. And I attest not wearing just jet black hair. But anyway, let me know. No humps, no bumps, no lumps, no chunks. Yeah. See you in the next one.